Good day everyone, especially to our instructor Sir Leo Arcayos, and today we will discuss the compartmentation and its effect on watertight integrity. Compartmentation refers to the division of shapes or structure into separate enclosed sections or compartments using bulkheads, walls, deck, floors, and doors. This design principle is fundamental in marine and naval architecture and plays critical role in enhancing a vessel's watertight integrity. What is compartmentation? Compartmentation refers to the division of a ship's hull and interior spaces into separate watertight sections or compartments. These compartments are created using watertight bulkheads, decks, and partitions which prevent water ingress from spreading throughout the ship in the event of flooding or damage. The primary goal of compartmentation is to improve the ship's survivability by limiting the extent of flooding, maintaining buoyancy, and ensuring stability. How compartmentation affects water integrity. Limits flooding. If the hull is breached, water can only flood the affected compartment, not the entire vessel. This containment helps prevent sinking and gives the crew time to respond. Redundancy and damage control. With multiple watertight compartments, the vessel can stay afloat even if one or more compartments are compromised, depending on the design survivability criteria. Stability maintenance. Proper compartmentation ensures that the vessel remains balanced and upright even when damaged, reducing the risk of capsizing. Compliance with safety standards. Regulations like SOLAS International Convention for the Safety of Life at Sea require compartmentation to ensure ships can survive specific damage scenarios. Controlled access. Watertight doors within compartments allow movement while maintaining isolation when needed during flooding or fire. In summary, compartmentation is essential to watertight integrity as it contains damage, maintains buoyancy and stability, and enhances the overall safety of ship. Would you like an example from real ship design diagram showing how compartments are arranged? And that's all. Thank you.